हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं फिर से 10th क्लास के लिए सेशन 2 लेकर आया हूँ, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर। इन सेशन 1 वी हैव स्टडीड व्हाट potential difference. What is potential difference? What is the role of potential difference? Potential difference, as heat flows from a higher body at higher temperature to another body at lower temperature, as water flows from a place at higher to lower. Similarly, electric current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So, if there is no potential difference, no current flows at all. So, if electric current is flowing in an electric circuit, therefore there must be a potential difference between the two. This is a simple example. A bird is sitting on a wire, live wire, current is flowing. These two their potential difference is zero. No current flows through the body, bird's body. And say if the legs of the bird is one on this, other on this, bird immediately bird burns. So when their meaning is clear, conclusive point is this, that there is potential difference, there is flow of an electric current. What is potential difference? V equals to W upon Q, that is work done in moving unit positive test charge from a point at higher potential to another point at lower potential. Higher potential is this, lower potential is this, is plug key. What is electric current? Rate of flow of electric charge, I equals to Q by T. और इंस्टेंटेनियस करंट अगर देखें तो नाउ वेरी स्मार्ट डिफिनेशन इज रेट ऑफ फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज dq by dt in calculus form, in mathematical form. Coulomb per second, ampere is the unit. Ohm's law आपने देखा कि if there is no large various change in physical parameters, current flowing through a wire is directly proportional to potential difference between the two. In this session, also you have learned about resistance, electrical resistance, that is obstruction to the flow of electric current. SI unit is ohm or volt per ampere. So in this session, we are going to study about series combination of resistors, parallel combination of resistors. What do you mean by series combination? Figure shows the situation when second end of first resistor is connected with first end of second resistor, other end of second resistor is connected to first end of third resistor. This is known as electrical series combination of electrical resistances. If one end of all resistors is connected at one place, another is on other place, this combination is known as parallel. What is difference between the two? Same current flows through this combination and different current flowing through these different resistors. Voltage is same in case of parallel combination, voltage is different for series combination. So here is V1, V2, V3, here is V. Current is different in this. So let us see series combination. Figure shows the situation. So potential difference across resistance R1 is equal to V1 equals to I into R1. Similarly, potential difference across resistance R2, V2 is equal to I into R2, and R3, V3 equals to I into R3. So total potential difference, if we replace this combination by a single resistance, that drops the same voltage as the combination does. So this will be known as equivalent resistance of all. This will V1 plus V2 plus V3. So equivalence total voltage drop is V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. I into R equivalent is equal to I into R1 plus I into R2 plus I into R3. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the mathematical expression formula to find out equivalent resistance in case of series combination. So this is formula in case of series combination. Parallel combination, by Ohm's law current I1, I2, I3. First we compute by Ohm's law I1 equals to V upon R1, V upon R2, V upon R3. Then if the combination is replaced by a single resistance, this is known as equivalent resistance that draws the same current as the combination does. Mark here. Current is different in this case. So the equivalent resistance will draw the same current as the combination draws. The combination of resistors is drawing. How much? I1 plus I2 plus I3. Total current I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. V upon R equivalent is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. So 1 upon R equivalent equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. This is expression for equivalent resistance in case of parallel combination. So we have seen resistance, equivalent resistance for a system of resistors. Resistance of system of resistances is here. Next one, आपने देखा this one is heating effect of electric current. Heating effect of electric current, how a heat is produced in a resistor. You may see here. Suppose this is a resistance. Understand, this is potential difference V and 0. Current is I. So work done W equals to, very basic expression is this V into Q. How much work is done by potential difference? W equals to V into Q. अगर हम I into T रख दें, क्योंकि I equals to rate of flow of charge, तो Q equals to I into 2. So this work done is produced as heat. Put V equals to, from Ohm's law, V equals to IR, you get I square R into T. This is called Joule's law of heating effect. आप इस फॉर्मूले को 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड करिए. H is directly proportional to I square, H is directly proportional to R, and H is directly proportional to T. So this is known as Joule's law of heating effect. Joule's law of heating effect. Heat is produced. More will be the current, more will be the heat produced. आपने देखा होगा so many examples: electric iron, electric toaster, electric oven, electric heater, electric kettle. So many examples. Even electric bulb also. Light and heat, light energy and heat energy, it will emit, it will radiate. So these are the examples. H equals to, H is directly proportional to I square. More will be the current, more is the heat produced. More is the resistance. आपने 1000 वाट का हीटर खरीद लिया, 2000 वाट का खरीद लिया. In 2000 watt heater, heat produced is more than that of 1000 watt heater. Time for which more is the time, larger is the time, larger is the amount of heat produced in the coil. So this is Joule's law of heating effect. Now electric power. We are going to discuss about electric power. What is power? P equals to, as you know, rate of work done. Yeah, rate of consumption of heat produced. Rate of consumption, rate of production, generation of heat energy is called power of that machine, that electrical machine. I square V into I into T upon T, cancel, V equals to V into I. Very good, very basic expression is volt into V into I. Suppose we have given a bulb 100 watt bulb 220 वोल्ट, P इक्वल्स टू I इंटू आर, ओम्स लॉ से पुट कर दें तो सेकेंड एक्सप्रेशन पावर के लिए हो गया I स्क्वायर इंटू आर। थर्ड एक्सप्रेशन I की ओम्स लॉ से V अपॉन R रख दें तो यू विल गेट V स्क्वायर बाई R। So there are three expressions for electric power only. What is 1 watt? 1 watt equals to 1 volt into 1 ampere. 1 watt equal to 1 watt into 1 ampere. So you may directly compute the value of what does signify. Suppose an electric bulb, एक इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब के ऊपर आपने देखा होगा लिखा होता है 100 watt 220 volt. This is power given, this is voltage given. P equals to V into I equals to P upon V. P is 100 watt upon 220 volt. So this much ampere current flow through the filament of this bulb. So this is electric power. अब P equals to 1 kilowatt if and time is 1 hour. So heat energy produced, it will be 1 kilowatt hour is the commercial unit. Commercial unit to measure electric power. 1 kWh into 1 hour. 1 kWh, this is what? Power into time. Power into time is energy. 1 kWh. 1 kWh चेंज कर दें आप 1000 watt. watt की जगह लिखें जूल पर सेकेंड into 1 hour 60 into 60 second. second cancel. You will find answer in joule. 10 की power 5. 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule. This is 1 unit of electricity or 1 kWh, 1 kilowatt hour. This is one board of trade unit also known as commercial unit of to measure electrical energy is this. So one unit of electrical energy is consumed in your home. How? When 100 watt bulb operates for 10 hours. So this is 100 watt hour, this is 1 kilowatt hour, 1 unit of electricity gets consumed. If you place 40 watt की ट्यूब, अगर आप 25 घंटे चलाते हैं तो 1000 watt hour, this is 1 kWh, this is 1 unit of electricity gets consumed. So which one is better? 40 watt tube or 100 watt bulb? So 40 watt tube is better. You will select 40 watt tube, electric tube. So this is called 1 unit of electricity. Now practical application of heating effect. Practical application of heating effect. There are so many devices in your house. आपके घर में बहुत सारे ऐसे डिवाइसेस, इलेक्ट्रिक आयरन, इलेक्ट्रिक टोस्टर, इलेक्ट्रिक ओवन, इलेक्ट्रिक हीटर, इलेक्ट्रिक केटल, even electric bulb also that is continuously emits a light as well as heat. So what is fuse? What is fuse? This is a device, simple device. This is a wire made by an alloy. So this is made by, or this is safely gets fused, breaks the circuit. It is connected in series. This is aluminium, copper, iron ये बने होते हैं. That is always connected in series with main supply या मशीन के साथ लगा होता है. Whether it is fridge, whether it is TV, whether it is another device, सब में क्या होते हैं, इसके मेन सर्किट में एक फ्यूज लगा दिया जाता है. फ्यूज का क्या फंक्शन होता है कि अल्टर करंट it may break, it may get fused, है ना, and it will stop to flow the electric current. आपके महंगे फ्रिज, टीवी ये सब क्या होते हैं, सेव हो जाते हैं, बच जाते हैं. So in this session we have learnt about these points: heating effect, power, practical application, and so the whole chapter है ना comes towards the end. Thank you very much.